Hello, dear students. Now, today we are going to start with our fourth part of a grammar in transformation of sentences, that is, simple sentences. Okay, normally we have three types of sentences: simple, complex, and compound. You all must have studied in the lower classes also, so we'll do a quick revision. Now, before that, pay attention to the rules for the simple sentences. Normally, in simple sentences, wherever there is a verb, okay, like pass, have, jump, wonder, so all those will be transferred in it, which it will be converted into ing form. Okay, and there will be conjunctions or and, like that, so you have to remove that conjunctions and make that sentence into a simple sentence. There would be an extended sentence also, like having because, if, not only but also. So you have to remove all the sentences and make it into a simple sentence. Okay, so these are the rules. We will see that conjunction you have to remove. Normally the verb will be in the ing form. Okay, and it will be supported with on. 60% of the case the verb ing, it will be converted into ing form, and it will be associated with the word on. Okay, so these are the simple sentences rules which you can jot it down also. Okay, in further in my video I will in the coming next video I will help you with the defined rules so that you can have a note of it. Okay, now let's see the sentences. See the first one: I had the strength to resist and hurried off to school. I had the strength. So had is the thing which the boy or some I was having. Okay, so had will become having. On having the strength to resist. Now over here and is the conjunction you have to remove. On having the strength to resist, I hurried off to school. Clear? See the next question. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Past, it will become passing. So on my passing the town hall, there put a comma, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Okay. Third one, when the school began, there was a great bustle. Began will become beginning. With the beginning of the school, there was a great bustle. With the beginning of the school, comma, there was a great bustle. Then fourth one, M. Hamill saw me and said very kindly. So how it will become? Saw me will become seeing me. On seeing me, M. Hamill said very kindly. You have removed over here the conjunction and. Okay. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. On jumping over the bench, comma, I sat down at my desk. Sixth one, while I was wondering about it all, M. Hamill mounted his chair. While I was wondering about it, that means it is about the duration. So a sudden, along with this thing happened. While, the word while. So with my wondering about it all, M. Hamill mounted his chair. Okay. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. So how you will be writing? Thinking is already given. There wondering was also given. So how you will write? While thinking of all this, I heard my name being called. Okay. Whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw M. Hamill sitting motionless in his chair. So looked will become looking. On looking up from my writing, comma, I saw M. Hamill sitting motionless in his chair. Okay, so this sentences, all the 8 sentences you have to write down along with the answers. These are the answers given. Okay, make a note of it. Now let's see few more type of questions in simple sentences. Once upon a time there was a man who went around selling small wraps of wire. Okay, so how you will write it over here? The answers. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around, going around, who word over here, it is a complex word. All the WH forms of questions you have to remove from the sentence. Okay, so once upon a time there was a man. Went will become going. Going, I told you na, ing form. Going around selling small traps of wire. Okay, second one, it was his cow which supported him. Again WH, which. So you have to remove which. His cow. We know that it is his cow. So we have to make it simple. His cow supported him. Clear? Third one, he took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. Took will become taking. Taking the money, he thrust it into his own pocket. Taking the money, comma, he thrust it into his own pocket. See the next one. He hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. So hung will become hanging. Hanging the leather pouch very carefully back in its place, he went away. Fifth one. He summoned all his strength, got up and staggered in the direction of the sound. So summoned will become summoning. Summoning all his strength, he got up to stagger in the direction of the sound. Okay, then see 10th one. The young girl took the stranger by the hand and led him up to the table. So how we are going to write? The young girl took the stranger by the hand to lead, and led him is there, to lead him up to the table, L-E-A-D, to lead him up to the table. See 12th one. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you. So how we are going to write? On getting up, as soon as you have to remove, on getting up from the table, he went around to each one present to say thank you. Okay, see the 15th one. The old man got up and went to the window. Got up, getting up. On getting up, the old man went to the window. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak here. That means he wanted to sleep, and the later action that he wants to sneak away. So how you are going to write? Besides only wanting a chance to sleep here in the forge, he wanted to sneak away. Okay, so all the 16 questions you have to write in the common heading simple. The earlier 8 questions, the 16 questions, all you have to write along with the answers. Okay, and check whichever rule it applies over here. WH questions you have to remove. The present verb will change, the verb which is there, it will be changed into ing form 90% of the cases. Okay, and sometimes on is also associated with the sentence. So conjunctions also you have to remove. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, make a note of it and be thorough with the simple sentences. Clear?